Yummy, Sammy.
Hi guys, how are you? This is Sammy. These days we have clear and sunny skies, but we also have a heat wave that makes people exhausted. 요즘 우리 맑고 밝은 하늘을 볼 수 있는데 또 폭염 때문에 사람들이 지치기도 하죠. There's a perfect Korean dessert for this weather. 이런 날씨에 딱인 한국 디저트가 있어요. It's watermelon punch, called 수박화채 in Korean. 바로 수박화채예요. This dessert is loved by men and women of all ages in Korea. 이건 남녀노소 모두가 좋아해요. For you guys, I will let you know my own secret recipe today. 여러분들을 위해 오늘 제가 비밀 레시피를 알려드릴게요. Let's do it! 시작해볼까요? Cut the watermelon in half. Cut the bottom a little to prevent the watermelon from rolling. See? Since I don't have any good scoops, I'm using this measuring spoon. Scoop it up in bowls. Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it? Would you please get off? Thanks. I guess we have enough. Let's take out the old, but the watermelon rind. Look how I do. This is the easiest way that I found. Dig up the watermelon with your spoon. Spoon is always useful for Korean people. I'm making watermelon juice with this later. I love this cutting sound. It sounds like a red now is a watermelon up. Sorry, it wasn't a good metaphor. Scrape it with your spoon. Take some seeds out. I should have bought seedless watermelon. Lots of watermelon juice is coming out. We're gonna use it till later, so please don't throw it away. Paper on the cutting board. With this cookie cutter, make them pretty. Too big. This part can be skipped if you don't have any more. You're back. What we have to do now is cutting the watermelon into a crown. It looks messy now, but it's gonna be awesome very soon. We'll see. Ta-da! Let's put the pretty ones on the top to hide the ugly ones. So much better. Fresh milk, Sprite, and watermelon juice. Fruit cocktail. Nice color. Blueberries, and cherries. The last one you have to put is ice cubes. Wow, looks like somebody got a fruit flower. This one will blow the heat away. Are you looking for a cool and sweet dessert? You found it! You should definitely try Korean Hwachae. Enjoy and see you soon! 또 만나요!